I nearly got to hear it.
Oh, wake me up when we get there.
This looks so juicy.
It
So
does.
nice.
It's longer than I thought, eh?
Yeah, this one's 17 foot. We've done it, guys. We got the dream boat. We're gonna go out and we're gonna have fun. We're gonna take it for a spin and show you guys around, see what it's like stock standard, and go through maybe discuss a little bit of plans that we want to do with it. It's just going to be such a haphazard video, I reckon. I don't know how we're going to put it together, but we're going to go out, we're going to go for a run, we're going to get drone footage, we're going to go hoon around, hopefully not too hard, because the transom's a little bit rotten, the floor's a bit rotten, so we kind of wanted to make sure that it's not going to sink. But waiting on the old man to get back to the boat ramp, we're going to launch this, we'll take it out, we'll go through the interior, and have a bit of fun. So stay tuned, guys, it's going to be good. Yep.
Oh, we got fuel up. Come on, you bitch. That's your actuator for your choke, so we'll leave it comes down on the bottom of this. So there should be a switch somewhere for a choke. Should be,
yeah. One eternity later.
This was ever his boat. I think he bought it and got stuck with lemon. Someone else spun him a load of bullshit and sold it to him, and now he's just tried to move it on. Not that we ever thought the motor was worth anyway. Yeah. Just take her out of gear, mate.
Audio's going to be shit house.
Hey?
Audio's going to be crap.
No talking over this motor.
Ah, shit no.
You want to take this one, you two take this one, I'll just take this one for a little drive and play with it.
Yeah.
Swap places with him. You out of gear or you in gear?
I'm in gear.
I'll dump you both.
Got it?
Oh, so graceful.
Where's that?
Oh, that's your bag?
Yeah.
I'll put my other bag.
Oh, up the front.
I'll put one down.
I don't fit in here. Not bad.
Other bag too.
Got it?
Mate, for short legs.
Oh well, it can be fixed. You can't even hear this one. This one's idling. All you can hear is that one. This one's idling. Like it's going, you just can't hear it. 4-stroke, 2-stroke. Oh, now's the time to see if the key works, right?
Get that tow rope ready.
Sort of.
Sort of.
Have you got that on idle? Push that throttle all the way up.
Yeah, it's on idle.
Well, I can smell something. It's gonna make a good plonk. You're gonna need a hand on deck, okay?
Yeah, he can probably lean over from where he is at the front there and just hold that up. Just till it fires. This one. Yep.
Yeah, Dad will Dad, yep. In case you haven't already met. As long as it's not taking on water, we're all good. So quickly fill you in, this is why we take 2 boats, so that when this one runs like a dream and that one doesn't, this one can get us out of the shit. But Dad didn't tie this one off at the ramp, so we're lucky when we got this one to run so we can come up and get it. He's lucky he's a pretty face. But we knew the engine was going to be shit anyway, so...
Oh, that, I can...
It's good, isn't it? So close.
If any of the viewers out there would like to buy a Chrysler...
It's going cheap. Have you got the choke pulled? You got that knob pulled out, haven't you?
The choke?
Yeah. No, like on the where the throttle is there, you got that knob pulled out?
That's pulled out.
Oh yeah. It's so quiet. This boat, not that one. That one's
Come on,
that one's noisy.
Yeah, you can go.
I'd say maybe it needs more fuel, but
Oh, this thing's female, isn't it?
well, you can't really say that on camera anymore. We get we might get bad labels.
Oh, shoot. I didn't say anything.
Nothing about that sort of thing. Well, we anticipated great things for the day. Me being the pessimist, Dad being the optimist. I was pretty much thinking this would probably happen, which is why we have the 2 boats and not just the one. As for racing them, well, that thing's just going to sit still probably, and we'll just do laps, hot laps. Oh, nearly. You're vaping?
Pretty much.
Oh, careful, it'll kill you. Nicorette, you can beat the cigarette. Oh, I nearly got to hear it. See you in 5 minutes. Oh, thank God that's gone. So loud. Such a noisy outboard. Oh, look, there he goes. Let's go catch him.
No, still running. Oh.
Come on. That's not too bad, that's 54 an hour.
That's shit. There's no weight in it. It's supposed to have 100, but the coils aren't working.
No, well, shit.
Lucky we didn't buy it for the motor.
No, just going straight in the bin. That was always going straight in the bin.
So if you know someone who's interested in a 140 horse Chrysler,
140 or 140? 140. I wouldn't advertise it at 140, I'd advertise it at like maybe half
50.
That. 50. It's 140, but it's working on 70%.
No, someone broke the key.
Yeah, some really tall, lanky bloke. Wasn't you, because you're not very tall. Well, yeah. Can you get it going so we can try?
Help me, please. You got a piece of rope? I'll give you a piece of rope.
Okay, give me a piece of rope. Fat chance of having a piece of rope.
This piece of rope in here, is it?
No.
We didn't want to waste good life jackets if it's sunk.
Is it?
Yeah. That does 50. We didn't get the drone footage, but we got to have a play around.
No drone footage?
Well, we didn't do anything.
Do you want me to start her up?
No, it's cool. I've had enough of this boat. It's going in the shed so I can have it work. It's having its work done to it so I can get a proper outboard on it.
You got a boat hook at the back?
Yeah.
Can I just leave this on the road outside your place?
Yeah, probably. Yeah. I'll sort it out. I will sort it. And, well, we knew this was how it was going to go. Play somber music.
It's just a nice cruise, isn't it?
It is. Well, you know, we're doing our deed. We're telling some local idiot home because he obviously hasn't started his outboard up at home.
Whose boat?
I don't know.
Whose boat?
Yeah. There's definite sarcasm intended. This is about the third time I've had to do this on the river. Maybe it'll give me good luck.
I'll wake you up when we get there.
Well, we got to have a food around.
Yeah.
It does hold the corner very tight.
Yeah.
See how the side shine held the corner?
Yeah. Holds it into it. Slaps on the waves.
Yeah. I think you'll find it pretty good when it's done up.
Yeah, when it's done up. Not when it's like this. We knew what we were getting into. Anyone that has seen us out here today is probably thinking, wow, these idiots don't know what they're doing. No. I intended that this was going to be a heap of shit and it was going to be a mess
Seasick.
Bull crap.
That was him spewing off the pontoon.
What? He got seasick?
Yeah.
In the river?
Yeah.
Last
That's
time
all right. We'll train him up.
Last time I let you hire help. Very somber feel of the day.
Lucky we're not like at the Gold Coast where it's overpopulated. Everyone
Hit
looking.
hole just in front of the corner there and then chuck the rope off.
Yes. It doesn't look good, but we got what we wanted. Yeah, a little bit of footage. And then we just gave up because it was meant to be an anchor anyway.
Chop it up. Yeah. Turn it into a fishing boat.
A full custom setup.
Yeah.
And the motor can turn into an artificial reef, I think.
Yeah.
140 yammy.
Let's just tie that one off, man.
This one here.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now, for anyone at home wondering how to tie off a boat, you do your figure of 8, and then you do a little half hitch on that end, and then if you're really scared that it's still going to go off, you just do another little half hitch over this end. Oh look, it can't float away.
You put my rope up there.
Oh, come on.
Well, I don't think there's enough room for the other people then.
Nah,
Besides that, that's yours.
we can't just leave me, Dad.
See ya.
Be more prepared.
Just till the cable.
That'll do it.
Here we come.
Well, in case you're wondering how the glasswork's holding up in the front, it's doing fine. We just use it to push boats on. The easy one. That's how it should be. Easy as that. Simple.
Alright.
Feel better?
Yeah?
Ah.
And he seasick.
Yeah, he drives too rough, eh?
Yes. And nearly vomit.
It was one of those days where you're definitely glad you have an extra boat. Oh. But we know the motor's good. We know the boat is good, the motor's shit. But we knew that, we weren't buying it for the outboard. But yeah, comments at home, what do you reckon we should put on it? I'm going the F130. Brand new Yami, I reckon that's what we throw on it. I reckon that'll be the go, that'll be the goods. Oh. I wouldn't look too much at this one. This is one of those, if you can't tie knots, you just tie lots. Well, that's atrocious. It's for looks. It's mainly so that it doesn't bounce up and let the piece of timber out. I swear. Well, it went well. Sea trials went well. There's my key.
What do you reckon? 100k trip to the Great Barrier Reef next with that motor?
Definitely. On half a tank, I reckon you'd probably do it.
Yeah.
It's that fuel efficient. I mean, if you couldn't see all the smoke is just like vape. It doesn't actually. It's not unburnt fuel, I swear.
It's really fuel efficient because it doesn't start.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. You could just float out to the Great Barrier Reef. You could float out anywhere. You'd be sweet. You wouldn't even need to worry. And then we've got this tricky little key here that this is like one of those theft-proof ones. But this is inside the boat, which we didn't really get to see too much of. We've got a nice couple of old 1970s seats here. Really beautiful suede looking. Not suede, what do you call it? Shit vinyl. That's probably actually the colour tone, shit vinyl. But this will be a project boat to come to the channel. Basically, I wanted one of these boats for a long time. It's a Haines Hunter 170. Not a lot on the market. Not a lot. And not a lot in this good a condition. Obviously, internally, not great. The floor, the transom, stringers, well, they're all going to get replaced. So, complete overhaul. We're going to separate it. We're going to rip it all apart. We're going to take the outboard off. That's probably going to be the first thing that's going to go. The outboard. Get rid of that. Dump that and probably out in the bay. If anyone's looking for a new artificial, it might be somewhere West Peel, maybe. I'm not going to give longitude and latitudes because, you know, I don't want people knowing my spots because I like to hold that so close to my chest. But if we go up in the front, oh, a little bit of
squeeze through, mate.
Squeeze through this delicate little door. This is going to be like brought up. We're going to do like a full cast deck up here. Sounders, transducers, sounders up here, electric motor, live scope. The floor will probably be like, I don't know how high to go the floor. Didn't even get to see how like stable it is out in the water. Wasn't too bad. I remember standing up here and not being too bad. But yeah, this will be like full casting platform. I wanted it because it's got nice big wide front casting platform. It's going to be a good barra boat / bay boat. Oh, and then out the back we're going to completely lift it up, so we'll get rid of these two seats here, keep the front or mid section I guess like low, tight, storage, all that sort of stuff. Through here we'll raise that deck up, probably go up to maybe just under the gunnel section here. Full platform for standing on, almost like a bass boat I guess you could say. And then want to try and put a poling platform off the back, basically where those stern hooks are. Wouldn't mind a couple of like stainless steel uprises, a nice big platform out over the new 130 horsepower Yami. Yeah, I think we go Yami. I want a Yami. The other ones go so good. Subfloor will have rod lockers, storage. Not 100% sure on how we're going to have that worked out. We might even dummy something up, but that's basically what's going to happen to this boat. So if you are interested and you want to stay tuned, I'm going to make it into a series. It's going to be a boat series, boat building series, because I'm excited. This is a boat that I've wanted for a long time, a very long time, even though I'm only young, obviously. But yeah, I guess that's kind of it, really. If you've been wondering where I have been and why I haven't done any videos, obviously on social media, on my social media platforms, you would have seen that I was in a bit of a horrific car accident. This isn't for pity or anything like that, I'll roll the clip, but you know, it was pretty graphic and it shook me a fair bit and it put me off for a little while, and I just haven't really done too much with filming and stuff like that in the meantime, and fishing's been hard and, you know, excuses basically. But I figured life's too good. You only get to live it once, may as well go out and do what you want to do, and I've been wanting this boat for a long time, so that's where we're going with it. So stay tuned guys, there's going to be more videos coming on the channel about this boat. There still will be fishing videos, don't worry, even though there's been a lack thereof so far. But yeah, look at this, look at the rock. Oh, that's 70s timber, that is. Oh, yum, it's like wafer. Yeah, we're going to gut it out, fully gut it, and redo it. So that's cool. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys are looking forward to it. Drop a like, leave a comment below. Any thoughts, like absolutely any thoughts of what we should do with the boat, like storage wise, outboard wise, marine electronics. We're going full hog. We're just, everything's getting replaced, gutted, redone. So interested to see your thoughts anyway, guys. So yeah, that being said, this is probably going to be the end of the video, so stick around, guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And 80/20, that's fishing. I'll see you in the next one. We didn't get much filming done on the water. We didn't get the drone footage that I so desperately wanted.
Oh, it's a deluxe. It's really good. It's really good.
That's the GXL.